Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Baljeet, and this video we have a chance to hands-on Wi-Fi production meter. This specific model have a lot of functions. I picked one with the 3 CT connectors because I have a 3-phase to monitor. You can buy this meter according to your need. It comes in 80 amp, single phase, 2-phase, 3-phase, 120 amp and 200 amp. Mine is 200 amp and the CT clamp size will be according to the amp and wire size. It will monitor your production and consuming. Now let's open box and see what is inside, then we will start installing. It comes in this box. Cost is about $89 plus tax from Amazon. If we talk about the size, meter is really small, like my hand palm size. All the wires are pre-connected inside. You don't have to use screwdriver to connect any wire, just quick disconnect all the CT connectors, antennas. Just only 3-phase we have to connect with our grid. Inside the box, you will also get antenna, 3 CT connectors and instruction manual. Everything inside the box I have pulled out. I checked my inventory. Whatever I have ordered or parts I need to get my job done, all the parts are here. There is an instruction manual. I will guide you how to use this meter or how to install if you really need help. But I have an idea how I'm going to install, and I have a pre-connected all the CT connectors and my 3-phase. Where I'm going to install, I don't have any small breaker, so I put small overload breaker in circuits in case something happens. Here in this side you will see line 1, line 2, line 3, also A, B and C. We have connectors this side. They will clamp on top of your one high voltage wire, and you can just lock it back. If you see there's an arrow, will tell you the direction the current flows. Last copper color of connection is for your Wi-Fi antenna. Here is my service panel where I'm going to install Wi-Fi antenna base. Have a magnet. I just put it on top, made small hole at the bottom to run just a wire through. You just push a wire through. That's all coming outside. Now let's recap how I have it connected. I haven't done installation because it's a high power. I have to put my PPE, so I did not made any video while I was connecting. So now I have an antenna on the top running through here, connected to the smart meter, and there's a 3 CT connectors. They are dedicated for line A, B, C, or line 1, line 2 and line 3. Same thing, there's a 3-phase, 3-wire power, and the neutral goes straight here. 3-phase has to be at the same. Where the CT connector say A phase, you have to have a connector A phase, line 1, line 2, B phase, line 3, C phase. They have to be, otherwise your reading will be off because it will be taking voltage from line A. If CT connector connected line 2, then it's going to read current because it's need 2 properties to calculation. So we have a turn power on right now, but this breaker, small breaker I connected to a overload, is still off. We are going to download app Smart Life. We will sign up everything, then we will turn power on, and this will sync to the app, and we will be able to monitor from the app. Once you download the app, it's going to be look like this. You just click and app will open. We will walk through on screen recording after that. Before we start adding device, just make sure the meter we have installed is powered on and it is in pair mode. By default, when first time you turn power on, it will automatically be in pair mode. Then just right on the top corner, click add a device. It will take a couple seconds and your meter will pop up. You just simply click on and give your house Wi-Fi access. Once you click on it, it will ask you your Wi-Fi address and password. You follow that step and it will take a couple seconds or a minute to install your meter. Then just simply click on done. After clicking on done, right away you will start reading data from your Wi-Fi meter, and all the information is here, really simple. On the top it tells you total consumption. Second, total production. If you have a solar system producing any electricity, then phase A, phase B and phase C. In my case, I have a 3-phase, so it's reading data from all 3 phases. The second part is live. You can check phase A live. It will tell you the voltage, current and wattage. Same thing with the phase B. Then lastly, you have a phase C. Bottom, the last part is uses. It's really important. If you have a tenant, you want to send your all data. If you see on the top it's a total, it will send you the total, and then you can have an email. Then at the bottom it says hour, days, month. You can also put the custom date. You can also check your total data by graph, by phase A, phase B, and phase C. Will tell you all the information and the way you want custom dates, days, month, year, and you want to create a report and export data to your tenant, or you have a property for rental, you can send email directly from Production Mirror Wi-Fi app. You will be able to change your meter name, add your property name or business name. There's a lot more you can do with this meter. So I believe that's all for today's video. I will leave a link in description. You are interested to buy this meter. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you next video with a new topic.